Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is September 8th, 2024, and we have a lineup of exciting stories for you. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. In a significant development for labor rights, Apple retail workers at the Penn Square Mall store in Oklahoma City have reached a tentative labor agreement with Apple. Represented by the Communications Workers of America, this makes it the second U.S. store to achieve such a milestone. The agreement, which will be voted on September 22nd, includes wage increases of up to 11.5%, involvement in scheduling, and guaranteed paid time off for voting. It also enhances workplace safety and provides job protection in case of store closures or relocations, along with severance pay and health benefits. Kirsten Matson from the Apple Retail Union CWA highlighted the agreement as a testament to the workers' collective strength. Despite facing anti-union efforts from Apple, the workers formed a union in October 2022 and even passed a strike authorization vote in August 2024. Derek Osebase, CWA District 6 Vice President, emphasized the historic nature of this agreement, encouraging other Apple workers to consider organizing. Apple is gearing up for its much-anticipated Glowtime event on September 9th, 2024, in Cupertino, California. This event is set to unveil the iPhone 16, along with major updates for AirPods and the Apple Watch. The timing is strategic, coinciding with a US presidential debate and a crucial European Commission decision regarding a $14 billion tax issue for Apple in Ireland. The iPhone 16 is expected to showcase advancements in artificial intelligence, marking a significant leap in Apple's tech evolution. Meanwhile, the new AirPods are rumored to feature enhanced audio capabilities and possibly new health tracking features. The Apple Watch is also anticipated to receive updates, potentially including new health monitoring functionalities. This event is crucial for Apple as it strives to maintain its competitive edge in the tech market amidst growing competition in the smartphone and wearable technology sectors. The focus on integrating AI into its products reflects a broader industry trend towards smarter, more connected devices. Apple is inviting users to join the beta testing phase for the Receipt Warrior app through TestFlight. This platform allows developers to distribute beta versions of their apps for testing. Users can participate by downloading the TestFlight app on their compatible Apple devices, such as iPhone, iPad, Mac, Apple TV, Apple Vision Pro, and Apple Watch. Joining is simple, requiring an invitation via email or a public link from the developer. Each beta build is available for up to 90 days, with testers receiving notifications for new builds and the option for automatic updates. TestFlight supports various platforms requiring specific operating systems, like iOS 14 or later for iPhone and iPad. Testers can provide feedback directly through the TestFlight app or the beta app itself, including crash reports and suggestions for improvements. Apple emphasizes user privacy, ensuring personal information and feedback are collected solely to improve the app and TestFlight service, without sharing with third parties. In the world of coding, the GitHub project Elysium by Landsberg is making waves. This package for Emacs allows users to automatically apply AI-generated code changes while coding. By invoking MX Elysium query, users can request changes that are merged directly into the code buffer, enhancing workflow efficiency. The package supports querying specific regions of code without leaving the buffer. Installation is flexible, with methods like straight.l, alpaca, or package.l, each with specific configurations. Customization options include adjusting the size and style of the Elysium window. The package uses the GPTel backend, supporting multiple AI models, with Claude 3.5 Sonnet recommended for optimal code generation. Users can manage AI-suggested changes with commands to keep or discard them, and navigate through conflicting changes using Smurge mode. Future plans include implementing prompt caching to improve query efficiency and reduce rate-limiting issues. Elysium aims to streamline the coding process by integrating AI assistants directly into the Emacs environment. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these updates insightful. Don't forget to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more Apple news. Stay informed and stay ahead.